Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you how to convert your CSS files into Sass files in Node.js using this library called as StyleFlux. So this is the name of the library, Jekka/StyleFlux. So this library allows you to convert your CSS files into Sass files, and I have this CSS file created here, file.css. So this is a simple CSS file, cascading style sheet. This is a style selector dot menus, and a simple CSS file is there. So my job is to convert this file into Sass file. So I've written a script here, node index.js. So if I execute the script right here, on the left hand side you will see a Sass file will be created, and a message is printed out that conversion is successful. Sass file saved to output.sass. So a file has been created. You will see output Sass. If I open this file here, you will basically see it will create these variables, dynamic variables, where the colors will be stored right here. So this is one functionality of Sass files, and you can basically see the difference here. These are child selectors, and Sass basically is written like this, and it has converted this simple CSS file to Sass file. So in this way guys, you can basically compile your CSS into Sass using Node.js. So I will show you this module. uh, First of all, you need to install this module by using npm command, npmi @gecka/styleflux. So this is the actual command you need to write here in order to install this module. And the current version of Node.js I am using is 20 as of now recording this video. So the Node.js version is 20. So simply install this, and we will now be doing this. So first of all, you need to require the file system module, and then we need to simply require the library here, which is Gecka StyleFlux. And here we will write a function which will actually take the CSS file and convert this into Sass file. So it will take the CSS file path and also the Sass file path, two arguments, and whenever we call this function convert, and here we will provide the path file.css and output.sass. So let me just delete that file here. So we are providing the path of the file, which is file.css, which is present in the same directory. So that's why we have passed file.css, and this is the output name of the Sass file. So inside this function, we will write all the code in a try catch block. So if any sort of error takes place, we can console log the error. So now we will basically, the very first thing, we will read the CSS content by using file system. It provides us a method read file synchronously. We will pass the file path, CSS file path, and then the encoding type, which is UTF-8. So it will read the content of the CSS file, and now after that we now need to compile the CSS to Sass. So for doing this, we simply need to make Sass string variable, and we will use this library CSS converter. It contains this method CSS to Sass, this method, and here we will pass our CSS content. And now we need to save this Sass into a file. For saving it, we will use the write file sync method, Sass file path, whatever we need to store here. So Sass string and the encoding type UTF-8. So that's all. This is all the application. So if I execute this script right here, node index.js, so in the left hand side you will see a file will be created, output.sass, and this is your Sass, which is created from a CSS file. So the CSS has been successfully compiled to Sass file. So in Node.js, using this library Gecka StyleFlux. Thank you very much guys for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.